Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fork a repository and then clone it and create your branch and then push the changes. So useful when you are working on somebody else's project. So like this, it will be forked and instead of vtapps -del, your ID should be displayed and it will show from where you have forked. So you can copy the link where you are seeing the code in green color and then you can clone it. So I have copied it already. So choose a directory, choose a maybe you empty directory and you can clone it there. So you can just use git clone. You can also do the same thing in VS Code or PyCharm if you are using that. So using the command line is clone, so you can just change the directory to this IoT AWS PubSub because that directory will be created, and then type git remote -v. So you upstream an origin. So upstream is nothing but the original project from where you have forked, and origin is your repository. So these are the commands which you have to use, and yes, you have to also add the upstream here. So in git remote -v only origin is shown, but by adding this, upstream will also be shown to you. So let's add it. So these commands are also useful when you are updating the code on a regular basis. So if you are creating a branch and then pushing the changes and creating a pull request, and when your changes are merged, please delete the branch and then you can create a new branch. Okay, so in git remote add upstream, you should have this original link from where you have forked the project. Okay, so now it is showing both origin and upstream if you have typed git remote -v. Now the next command, so here are the command list. So yeah, later you have to create a branch, but the next will be git fetch upstream, so it will fetch the details. Upstream here means the original project, so you have to remember like this, and origin is your project. Okay, so you can create a new branch, but again check out to the master. So master branch means the main branch. So some in some project you will see main, and in some project you will see master. So let's check out to main branch. Yeah, so here master is the main branch. So switch to the master branch. So now you have to execute git fetch upstream. So what it will do, upstream means the original project. It will fetch the code from the upstream. So these commands you have to execute regularly if you have to be in sync with the original project. Otherwise, your code will become outdated. Okay, so you have to merge with upstream also. Git fetch and then git merge is the second command. And still you have to be in master. Please remember that. Okay, so this it will ask for the username and password for your account. You have to enter username and password. So username and password for VT apps -del. So your account will be something like XYZ. Okay, and then switch to your branch. So I have created a new branch. So you can switch to new branch now. Okay, so check out new branch. So it will switch to new branch. So now do some changes now. After switching to your branch, you have to do some changes because when you do some changes, you will push it and create a pull request. So then admin of the original project, upstream project, will merge it and then will notify you. You'll get the notification also. And then you can delete the branch and you can repeat the same process. Also in the link, all the commands are given. In the first, you have to be in master branch, execute git fetch upstream, then git merge, and then you have to create your new branch and then push the changes. So here I am making some changes. Okay, I am adding some images. also in the readme file. So let's say you are creating a flow diagram for the project. Initially you have to add that. So let's download a image, sample image. You can create your own flow diagram. Just for demo purpose I am downloading this. So you can create your flow diagram for in a website called draw.io and swimlanes.io. This link also I'll give you, and then you can download the image, give it a name, proper name, and then you have to enter the same name in the readme file. Yeah, so this is the syntax for it. Will start from exclamatory and then square bracket, and then inside braces you have to write this same diagram, and in that image in same directory. So I have not given path, I have just entered the name. If it is in some other directory, you have to enter the path. Okay, so git status will show which are the file modified is readme.md and new file is flow.jpg. So you have to add this both files. So you can do git add readme.md space flow.jpg also, or 1v1 also you can do, both is fine. Git add, you can also do git add dot, so all the files in the current directory will be added. And then you can do git commit -m and then your message, and then you have to push it. Okay, git checkout is done, git merge. Okay, git, so you have to merge it to origin is your repository, so you have to merge it to that basically. So git push on then origin and then your branch name. All the commands are given in sequence. Now you have to go and you have to check here. Yes, new branch had recent changes, compare and pull. You have to click on compare and pull request, and there you can also see code difference. You come down and yeah, here you will write hi admin, please add my changes, merge my changes, and you can also notify them from like you can call them, or maybe you can send a mail to them. So these are the changes in green. You can see one line is added flow.jpg, and also some steps. Create a pull request. So now your work is done. Till the admin will merge, don't delete the branch. Okay, so ask the admin to merge it. Once they merge, you can delete your branch, and also you can repeat the steps, because other people are also working in the repository, right? So you have to be in sync, please remember. So you have to execute all the commands, otherwise your changes will become outdated. Here you can see a pull request has been uh, the admin has got the pull request, admin will merge. So I have logged into the admin account since I have the access, but you will not have the access, so you have to ask admin to merge it. Okay, so these changes are merged. So now you can see this image has come here, which is reflecting, right? Because it is merged to the main branch. So now if anybody will access that code, or maybe if that web server is running, so you'll get the changes. Thank you for watching this.